FastLink Industrial Big Fan owns the green technology from the ocean. Its unique design of blade has already passed the patent of whale power technology. It can gain greater air volume than other similar products under the same diameter. A greater pitch in hope to provide more air movement will cause the typical airfoil to stall, while FastLink Big Fan owns the special design for that the max angle reaches to 21 degrees, so that to attain the stronger airflow and more cover area, it can largely reduce the possibility of fan stall. Eliminating the wingtip stall is the main source of noise and vibration. FastLink Fan can greatly increase efficiency, reduce noise, and increase the airflow. The unique patent design brings the Big Fan several advantages. 1. Quiet, efficient operation. No annoying high-speed airflow and noise. 2. Almost maintenance-free. Recommended inspection once every 20,000 hours. 3. Low operating costs. 4. Greatly reduces the influence of indoor air while the door frequently open or close. 5. From floor to ceiling and wall to wall, providing a constant, uniform temperature. 6. The expensive pipeline project used in the heating of new buildings and air conditioning system can be maximized reduced. 7. A comfortable working environment can greatly improve the efficiency of production personnel. The size of fan. The maximum diameter of fan running is 7.3 meters. Installation steps. 1. Install the connector to the steel or concrete beam. The connection of fan and steel beam is used by splint and spiral independent developed by FastLink. 2. Connect each composite through the bolts, and then consolidation handling each one by M6 wire rope. 3. Install the blade to reinforce the blade by bolts and circular mounting block. 4. Tension the ropes. One side is fastening on the big fan while the other is on the adjacent steel frames. The angle between the 4 wire ropes is 90 degrees. Fastening the connection by 4 wire ropes. The 4 wire ropes don't bear heavy weight, so while installing, the 4 wire ropes should not be locked too tightly. Just straighten them. The method of connecting wire is 380 volt. First of all, make all the power line access to the control box, and then connecting 5 lines, including L1, L2, L3, firewire, and ground wire. There are 4 wire out wiring, 3 terminal blocks in television UVW corresponding to each control box, which connecting each other by copper plate. Running test.